Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to clear storage space on an Android phone without deleting anything. So let's get started. Usually there are many junk files and cache files on your phone that take unnecessary space. So what you will need to do is to clear these cache files. To do that, first of all go into your settings. Once over here you'll see an option for apps. Click on it. Once under apps, make sure to tap on see all apps. Now here you'll see all of these different apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Now individually clearing all of these files will take a long time. So what's best for you is to clear the cache files of the apps that you use daily. So that includes Chrome, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So click on the application. Now here you'll see an option for storage and cache. Tap on it. So here you'll see an option for clear cache and click on it. Now your cache will be cleared for that particular app. You can also try clicking on the manage space option, and here you can clear up the unimportant data. Now repeat this process for all of your frequently used apps. And if you're having trouble finding these apps, on the top right you'll see a search icon, so just click on it and you can search the application. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.